Hello everyone, in front of me is OSCAL Tiger 12 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First enroll the list of all apps, find and enter settings, now locate and open security and here mark fingerprint. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. Obviously if you already have one you will just have to provide it, but if not, select the one that you want to have. In my case it would be pattern. Provide it once, then re-enter to confirm. Then customize the notification panel. And now it's time to enroll your fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, right here. And all you have to do is to place your fingerprint on the sensor, keep tapping till it is fully added. And as only it's done, mark done. And as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Obviously you can also use the backup pattern. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.